Hello, Tech Retrospective fans. I'm Jacob, and today we are opening a box. Wow, look at that. Specifically, it's the Atari 600XL home computer by Atari. The official home computer. There's probably another one that's like, this is the mainframe, but this is the official home computer of the 1984 Olympics. We already did a first look video on the Atari 600XL, so make sure you check it out. And they're very similar systems with a couple major differences. The 600's smaller, as you'll see. It also has less RAM, and I think it's missing a AV port. But other than that, they're the same system. So what are they highlighting on the box? First of all, I love the coloring on this box. Obviously you're getting a little glare there. Can't do much about that, but you get this nice like mint color for your marketing blurbs, talking about the 16K expandable RAM, the built-in basic programming language, professional keyboard for education. I guess for why do you specifically say the keyboard's for education? Wouldn't that be for like everything? I don't know. And word processing, games, and more. But you also have the mint color coming up here in the logo, and then you got the rainbow Atari logo all in silver. It looks very pleasant. I like this box a lot. But let's see what the back of the box looks like. Any other computer with Atari sound and graphics. This many add-ons. So much software. Built-in Atari Basic. All these extras. Such convenient service. And this kind of price has to be another Atari 600XL. Cool. All right, let's check it out. We've waited long enough. Now it's going to be fun to see if I can actually get it out of the box. I've not seen it in this box, so I was worried it might not have like all this documentation, but it's right on top. So this is going to be fun. This is... is this their like product catalog? That would be really cool. Oh, it totally is. Whoa, this is super cool. This is going to be real useful for us to have in the future. It's got all the accessories listed out and everything. This is the type of stuff I love having in our collection because, I don't know, it's just useful. We get scans for videos to add as B-roll, but also like just fun to look through. And sometimes we see something in one of these that we had no idea existed, and then we end up buying it. Here's all the like games you can get for it. Man, this is actually a really cool package. Look at that Donkey Kong Jr. Look at him. He's adorable. All right, we're done looking through that. Let's see what's next. This is the Atari Basic Reference Guide. Also very handy to have. Does it have any like sample programs, or is it just explaining how your Basic works? That's pretty cool. This is interesting. This is an advertisement. This definitely did not come in it. Who's it from? It's from Children's Palace. I've never even heard of that. So on this side, we've got skateboards and trucks and balls. Very cool. But the real cool stuff is here. So I'm guessing whoever bought this computer saved the advertisement they picked it from. This is really cool because you can see some other classic home computers. Here's a C128, a Commodore 64. What was that? Oh, that's the 1300XE, which would have been pretty new at the time, I'm guessing. And this was, I guess they bought it relatively late in the system's life for $100. And then looking at the bottom here, we've got the Atari disk drive. We've got some software for the various systems. Here's a very nice looking Commodore setup. That's super cool. Again, that's the type of stuff that I like having. Atari service contract. Oh, you have to like mail it back to them, so it's like a warranty type of thing. That's nice. We should send that in. There's so many papers with this. What is this? Free. I'm going to have to pull this away to read it briefly. The newest issue of Atari Connection, a $3 retail value when you mail your owner registration card within 10 days of purchase. Well, I did purchase this under 10 days ago. That's cool. What's next? A note regarding software. It's just like a letter. It says, as part of continuing effort to enhance product quality, Atari has designed the Atari XL series computers to offer extended hardware and operating system support. Blah, 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 blah. Atari Basic, blah, blah, blah. Unfortunately, that's the important part there. Unfortunately, a few programs written by independent firms violate Atari's guidelines for compatibility, and as a result, so it's saying, hey, some of your software for your old Atari 800 or 400 probably won't work. And then the Atari 600XL home computer. I'm guessing this is your more standard manual. These are very nice manuals, I gotta say. Full color images and stuff all over. It's pretty cool. Well, actually, there's not much color in these, but they're all black and white, but the other ones were all in color. I like how it's when I point out that it's in color, that it's no longer in color. But yeah, this is super cool. And these are big. Like, I like the size of this manual. It makes it a lot nicer to go through. Ooh. Okay, I did not know this would be that clean. Oh, we've got some fun stuff to look at. Everything's like... Oh. Okay. Holy cow. This brick is massive. This is one of the largest I've ever seen on a computer. Is that because the power supply is external? I don't remember it being this big on the 800XL. So maybe that has an internal power supply and this one doesn't. That's huge. It's not all that heavy, but it's super bulky. Next we have the, this to be composite out. With a interesting Atari box on it. 2 computer. So it does have to go in a specific way for the modulation or whatever. That's neat. And then here is the switch box in its original box. Yes, it's a box inside of a box. Look at that. It's got 30 plus... how old is this computer? Yeah, around 30. A little under. It's old. That's the point. Look at how old this bubble wrap is. I wonder if it's still... Only a couple. That's all you get. Search box, pretty standard. Nothing fancy. It does look like it's never been used, though. And lastly... I assume. Yep. Nothing else in here. I've got little bits of styrofoam raining on the table, of course. Oh, this is like... Obviously, I can't tell if this is new, but it looks pretty clean. Oh, the tape's still on it. Wow. Trying to get tape off of an old computer without ripping the plastic is really hard. There we go. Here we are. You'll notice, if you've seen our 800 video, which seriously, I already told you, go watch it. I'm serious. Go watch it. Come back so you actually know what we're talking about here. It looks very similar to the 600 or to the 800XL. Same exact accents and look to it. It's very clean. I have to say the design's not bad. I like it decently. I still prefer the original 800 look though. That's stylish. Interesting thing for you that I cannot share is the smell. It smells both like a factory and like must. So it's got a bit of new car smell to it, but also mildew. I have to say, I'm not the biggest fan of this keyboard. I think the travel distance on the keys is far too short. They actuate pretty decently, but they don't go down very far, which I don't really like. We've got all our ports on the back. Very nice, very nice. I don't really have anything else to show you guys today, so I think I'm going to end that video. This video. Not that video. I'm going to end this video right here. And I'm going to say, please check out that 800 video or some of our other awesome unboxing videos. And if you'd like to see a first look video for this beast, let me know. And I'll see you next time.